Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in as employee in NYU. For this, search for NYU employee login in the Google search. You can see there is login results in the search result. Simply click on this external login link. And you can see there is a go to login. Click on this link again. And you are redirecting to the login page. Here you can see form where you have to fill ID and password. If you forget password, you can click on forget password. Else, put your ID. Now let me put ID as temp user 123. Then you have to fill password. Fill password of user account. And after filling all this, click on this login button. And if all the credentials are correct, you will be logged in as employee in NYU Langon. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.